Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create 301 redirect with plugin. Let's get started. So let's just head over to your plugin marketplace of your WordPress and then search in here for redirection. So let's search in here for redirection. And then from in there, you should be able to see some search results related to this. So what you can do in this case is to click on this redirection by John Godley. So click on this right here. And then from in there, click on this install and activate. Click on this install, and then in here it will set up and install this particular plugin. As you can see right here, redirection has been activated and installed. What we can do in this case is to click on tools and then click in here for redirection. And then from in here, it will show us the actual page of redirection right here. So here it is. So you can just enter here your source URL as well as your target URL. So in this case, I'll head over to my post that I have. And then let me just head over and view the page of this my first post as well as my second post. So my first post is this dogs right here, and the second post right here is about nature. So what I can do in this case is I can head over and copy this dogs URL and then add it in this source URL right here. So let me just paste it right here, or you can also click on this start setup right here. Click on this right here to keep a monitor. So let's click on this and click on continue. And then as you can see, this will test our API first and click on this finish setup. And then you can see in here the progress. Once it's done, click on this continue option. Click on this ready to begin. And then from in here, let's add in here a source URL, which is the one that we have copied about dogs. And then we have in here our nature. So let's copy it also. And then let's add it at the target URL and click on this add redirect. And as you can see, the code is 301. Once it's been added, once you head over and then refresh this site, you should be able to be redirected to the nature site that you can see right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.